Content 881 of 2023.
रीड का ऑर्डर हो जाएगा.
Read WPS number 6042 of 2015.
Actually, also the rate was a batch matter.
वो ले दिए से बाकी केस कब आ रहा है?
Uh,
इसमें और भी केसेस फाइल बताइए कब आ रहा है?
our office has only one case.
तो ये बाकी सी का बाकी कंटेंट जो है वो टेकन अप हुआ था 21/3 को. उसके बाद वो फिक्स हुआ है 22/4 को.
21/3/22/4.
इसमें भी also taken for the same reason.
इसमें आइए कौन सा है? देखिए कंटेंट केस नंबर 881 of 2023 with IA number 11463 of 2024. The utility application has been filed, praying for 3 months' time for complying the orders of this court by the affidavit dated 17/10/2024.
I have also filed
The period has the prayer for the period of 3 months has already expired, but no compliance report as such has been filed. The learned counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that arising out of the same order in the batch of writ petition, the matters are posted on 22/4/2025. एक केस का नंबर बताइए.
in content 848 of 2023
In content
of 2023.
2023. Post this case on 22nd April 2025, and let this matter be tagged with case का number. Since the compliance report be filed at least 1 week prior to the next date. 22 को सप्लीमेंट लगा.
नहीं सप्लीमेंट
22 the Tuesday, the supplementary cost list. See, 22 the Tuesday, the supplementary cost list. See.
Item 20, Contempt Civil 8, Contempt Civil 897 of 2023.
Yes.
97 of 2023.
Yes.
Partly comply, my lord.
Is there any direction to give employment? कहाँ direction बताइए?
मेरा prayer था.
Prayer से नहीं होता ना, direction क्या है?
Believe कर लिया पेमेंट तो करती है.
The admitted amount has been paid as per the lordship's last order. Though I seek apology, we could not file the affidavit that payment has been made, but as per the oral instruction received and as per the statement made by the petitioner, the admitted amount has been paid.
कोई ऐसा डायरेक्शन है नहीं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट का कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं.
You are the
Okay, WPC and this contempt civil 897 of 2023. Counsel for the parties are present. the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that compensation has been paid.
But interest not to pay.
Compensation has been paid in pursuant to order dated 2/5/2023. But interest नहीं मिला है.
इंटरेस्ट 2023 से नहीं मिला है.
But-
अब इधर पेमेंट किए हैं.
But only part interest has been paid. Considering the nature of proceedings, this court is not inclined to proceed any further in this case. However, liberty is reserved with the petitioner to take steps with, in connection with redressal of his any surviving grievance as may be permissible under law.
Item 21, contempt civil 964 of 2023.
Yes. Yes.
Leadership respondent number 5, that is a Palam Tiger project officer, had made a series of trying to get the details and the based upon which the labor superintendent Palam had issued a form C. And towards this, in the later dated so and so, Your Worship, the concerned officer requesting that to furnish the documentary proof on which the basis which of the labor superintendent furnish the document regarding the work period of 8 person including petitioner.
किसको लिखा है?
Your Lordship, Labor Department.
कहाँ है वो लेटर? और कब लिखा है?
Annexure G, Your Lordship. Page number 16. ऊपरी विषय की द्वारा मांगी गई सूचना में जो श्री विजय प्रसाद के द्वारा शिकायतवाद में बकाया मजदूरी
किसको भेजे हैं? लेबर सुपरिटेंडेंट. You seek instructions from labor superintendent. Learned counsel for the parties are present. The learned counsel for the opposite party has drawn the attention of this court to letter number 200 dated 19/3/2025, which is a letter written to the labor superintendent, Palamu Nagar, seeking information to comply the order dated 24/1/2025. She submits that she will seek instructions from the labor superintendent, Palamu, and file an appropriate affidavit. Post this case on 13 June, the affidavit should be filed by 9th of May. Latest by 9th of May.
Item 22, contempt civil 985 of 2023.
Should have filed one IA for example, paying cost of this cost was from last day. We are
For
paying 10,000 rupees cost now we have applied the order and the reason order is annexed to the IA. Page 16 actually
I don't know what is this IA for?
exemption of paying cost.
Why should I exempt?
Actually, the reason order was passed as per the Your Lordship order to Your Lordship. We had to take a decision, pass a reason order. We had already taken the decision in the month of October 2024. Thereafter, the matter was reconsidered, and thereafter, the present reason order has been passed. That is the reason that we have filed for exemption. And actually,
By which order did we impose cost?
last one, 14/2/2025. 14/2/2025.
Read this order. Read this order, please.
seeking extension for 4 weeks and we comply the order dated so and so, which is taken on record. Relevant consequence of the party has submitted that the opposite party member is taken up in writing with the law department. Further, from the result of the IA, it is not clear as to
You see, prior to that, on 29/11/2024, your annexure A dated 1/10/2024 was already rejected.
thereafter the matter was reconsidered.
Thereafter, the matter was reconsidered, and then you prayed for time to file something. And no affidavit was filed. And on 14/2/2025, you had filed an affidavit seeking extension of time. Correct? And then, just a moment. There is no explanation.
Now we have complied the order.
You have to pay the cost. I am not going to know it. You have complied the order. Order comply हो गया बाकी?
No, madam.
So they have to take a decision, they have taken.
You have taken a, they have taken a recent.
They have taken, my lord, the same order they have reiterated, my lord, the order which they have passed earlier, my lord, which was not accepted by this honorable court, my lord, and again the same order they have passed.
Again the reference to LP has been made.
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ है आपका recent order बताइए?
But that starts, yes, it starts from page 16.
ये फिर से LP का reference. पुराने में भी वही.
It will stay in that.
Paragraph 3 onwards.
Sir,
It will stay operating in that. That is why they are.
what is the stay? उसमें petitioner party है LP में.
But any person also, contempt proceeding is also.
No, I just want to know, is a petitioner party in that LP?
Anybody, if he violates the order of the honorable court also.
There is a general order. There is an order in red in LPA that nobody will get the benefit. Orders in LPA are in personam. If you are aggrieved by any order, you have to file your separate LPA and get it tagged with that. But that you have not done.
Paragraph 5 onwards, you have stated the reasons also, pursuant to the last reason order, page 17. Yes.
सर्टिफिकेट प्रोसीडिंग करके रिकवरी कराएंगे 10,000. अच्छा लगेगा? आप इस आईए का ना एक रिप्लाई करें, ठीक है? And we'll take care of this statement. And you also indicate how the fresh reasoned order is same as that of the earlier order.
Yes, ma'am, that I will.
उसका इंडिकेशन जरूर होना चाहिए.
Yes, my lord, I will file that with his phone.
और कॉस्ट आपका किस लिए हुआ था कि रीजन ऑर्डर गलत है इसलिए है, ऐसा तो कॉस्ट हमने नहीं किया. दैट इज नॉट द रीजन. तो आइए जो आपका सीकिंग एग्जेम्पशन फ्रॉम पेमेंट ऑफ कॉस्ट इज कंसर्न उसको तो हम रिजेक्ट कर ही देते हैं, उसमें तो कुछ सोचने का जरूरत ही नहीं. ठीक है. बताइए क्या क्या लिखे हैं आप? व्हाई दिस शुड बी deleted. बताइए. Which paragraph are you referring to?
Paragraph 5.
But
It was stated in subject that the order dated so and so, passing WPS was already complied by passing order dated 1st of October 2024 by the answer respondent. Thereafter on further in the light of the honorable court orders.
ये कोई नया शो कॉस्ट फाइल इसका
आइए.
आइए बताइए. एक सेकंड. पैरा नंबर 5
Yes, sir.
पढ़िए.
That is also stated in subject that the order dated 25/4/2023 passed into the PS number 1546 of 2023 was already complied while passing order dated 1st of October 2024 by enhancing its order. Thereafter, further, in the light of the honorable court order, the case of the petition was reconsidered and the matter was taken up to the law department for getting the necessary guidance. And further, fresh order dated 26/3/2025 was passed in the light of the direction given by the honorable court. That it is stated and submitted that the answer is one is writing higher present for paying the cost and deducting the reason order dated 21/3/2005 containing memo number 499 latest 362.
IA number, क्या IA number is 4031 of 2025 with content case serial number 985 of 2023. The learned counsel for the parties are present. Counsel for the opposite party has submitted that this interlocutory application has been filed seeking exemption from payment of cost imposed by this court by order dated 14/2/2025. The learned counsel for the opposite party has referred to paragraphs 5 of the interlocutory application to submit that the order was already complied by then by passing order dated 1/10/2024 and thereafter the order dated 25/4/2023 passed in WPS number 1546 of 23 was already complied by passing order dated 1/10/2024 and thereafter the matter was reconsidered pursuant to and thereafter the matter was reconsidered and fresh order dated 26/3/2025 has been passed by the learned counsel of the opposite party has submitted that the occasion to reconsider arose in view of order dated 29/11/2024. The learned counsel has submitted that in view of the affidavit, in view of the interlocutory application, by the order dated 14/2/2025 be deleted. The opposite party be exempted from deposit of the fine. The order dated 29/11/2024 reveals that the reason order dated 1/10/2024 was taken into consideration and when the counsel for the petitioner pointed out that in the reason order reference to order made in LPA number 218 of 2015 was made wherein the petitioners were not even a party. At that point of time, the learned counsel for the opposite party prayed for time to file a supplementary affidavit. The matter was directed to be posted on 7th of February 2025. In compliance of the said order, no affidavit was filed at least till in compliance of the order, the affidavit was filed on कब आप फाइल किए थे इसके बाद कोई एफिडेविट फाइल किए थे?
After 29/11,
Yes.
on 10th of February 2020.
Affidavit was filed on 10th of February 2025.
No, it was 12th of March 2000.
When did you file the affidavit thereafter?
One show cause is dated 6th of February 2023. Absent may have been registered on 10th of February 2023.
Six February का क्या affidavit है?
Show cause on behalf of the opposite party.
And it's in which order?
There's no order. There's one order mentioned at page 15, order sheet. Must have been filed on 10th of February.
A show cause was filed on 6/2/2025. A show cause was filed by the affidavit dated 6/2/2025 and it was filed before the registry on 10/2/2025. Merely indicating that in the writ order, no direction was issued to respond number 4, the Deputy Commissioner to comply the order. And the direction was, and the petitioners were directed to file representation before respond number 2, the Inspector General of Registration. However, on order dated 14/2/2025, an interlocutory application being IA number 1985 of 2025 was filed seeking extension of time to comply the order dated 29/11/2024. However, there was no explanation as to what steps were taken from 29/11/2024 till 16th of January 2025. And consequently, the following order was drawn and time was granted subject to payment of cost of rupees 10,000 to the petitioner. इसके बाद तो कोई शो कॉज नहीं फाइल हुआ है। इसने लिखे हैं कि 29/11 के बाद आप क्या किए?
No. Present.
In the interlocutory application
But there is an order.
number 4031 of 2025, the petition seeking exemption from filing, from paying cost. Nothing has been mentioned as to what the opposite party had done after the order dated 29/11/2024. It has only been mentioned that the order was complied on 1/10/2024 and fresh order was passed on 26/3/2024. The order dated 29/11/2024 itself reveals that on being pointed out by the counsel for the petitioners with respect to the recent order dated 1/10/2024, the counsel for the opposite party have themselves prayed for time to file a supplementary affidavit. And now the recent order has been placed on considering the reason for imposition of cost by the order dated 14/2/2025. This court is of the view that this court is not inclined to exempt the किसको opposite party number 2 को देना था cost, opposite party number 2 from paying the cost. Accordingly, the interlocutory application is hereby rejected. At this, the counsel for the इसका आपको जवाब फाइल करना है? हाँ?
Yes, my lord, since they have not complied the order.
नहीं, इसमें तो बताइए कौन सा क्या चीज नहीं कंप्लाई है?
My lord, kindly see the direction passed by this honorable court, my lord, and what was the prayer made in the writ petition, my lord. It was the simpliciter, my lord, to constitute the committee and conduct the inquiry so far the illegal disposition of the property of the society by the illegal entries, the persons who are illegally entered into the office of this society, my lord. My lord, no committee has been constituted, my lord, with regard to the society which is registered in the year 2012, my 13, my lord. That is society registration number 189. My lord, now what the simpliciter they are taking the plea that one LPA number 218 of 2015 is pending, wherein my lord, some stay has been granted, but in that also, my lord, nothing has been done, and request to applicant to conduct the election. Well, there is no election issues involved in this matter. Only the inquiry with regard to the disposition, illegal disposal of the property of the society. That is the only grievances raised in the petition, my lord, and therefore, my lord, this honorable court has been pleased to direct them on filing the fresh representation. You do the needful, my lord. So what the needful? Even they are not ready to dispose my representation in the light of the grievances raised by me. Rather, they are taking the plea, my lord. Had they have even
And this,
refused
the
to
learned
consider.
counsel for the petitioner has submitted that still the order of this court has not been complied in letter and spirit. He seeks time to respond to the recent order
Dated
which
26
has been annexed, recent order dated 21/3/2025.
My lord,
It is contained in memo number
26
499
As contained
2025.
in memo number
499 dated
499 dated 26/3/2025.
Yes, yesterday itself.
बाकी आपका आगे तो हम रिजेक्ट करते हैं। कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको 10,000 रुपए देने के लिए?
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
The counsel for the opposite party submit at this the counsel for the opposite party submits that the cost as imposed by the order dated such and such will be paid within a period of 2 weeks. डेट देना है ना, कौन सा डेट देते हैं बताइए?
Any date after 2 weeks में just after 2 weeks में
Post on 9th May.
Item 23, contempt civil 1095 of 2023.
Yes.
Minus facilities of paragraph 7. Father was a censor of state of Jharkhand. What the area I communicated with
Yes.
I mean, permitted to place. Page 5, para 7. That it is stated that the office of the accountant general, Bihar Patna, by its data number so and so, data containing so and so, dated so and so, has directed the prohibition excise and registration department, government of Bihar, to communicate the decision with regard to the family pension payable to the petitioner in view of the fact that the deceased employee, that is the petitioner's father, superannuated on 31st of March 1980, that is prior to the reorganization of the Assam state of Bihar, and is subsequently died on 20th of July 2012, while the wife of the deceased employee died during his lifetime of Assam family.
कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आया इसमें.
स्टेट ऑफ बिहार को ही करना पड़ेगा, हम पहले ही बताए थे.
स्टेट ऑफ बिहार को पार्टी बनाना.
जो पार्टी बनेगी काउंसिल
आप नहीं. Opposite party, state of Jharkhand, है ना, has submitted that, and a show cause has been filed, dated by the affidavit dated 7/2/2025, annexing a copy of memo number 236 dated 7/5/2024, wherein it has been stated that the office of the accountant general within bracket A and E bracket means Bihar Patna by letter contained in by the aforesaid letter has directed the prohibition excise and registration department government of Bihar to communicate its decision with regard to family pension payable to the petitioner in view of the fact that deceased employee within bracket petitioner's father bracket close superannuated on 31/3/1980, that is prior to reorganization, and died on 27/20 sorry
26/9/11.
and died on 27/2012 by his wife's wife, that is the petitioner's mother, died on 26/9/2020. The counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the state of Bihar through the secretary, prohibition, excise and registration department government of Bihar be made party in the present proceedings. A and D Bihar, Jharkhand,
Bihar and Jharkhand both. I will send notice.
Bihar as well as Accountant General A and E Jharkhand Ranchi be made party in the present proceedings. Considering the aforesaid circumstances, the Accountant General A and E Bihar Patna, Accountant General A and E Jharkhand Ranchi, and the Secretary Prohibition and the state of Bihar through the Secretary Prohibition, Excise and Registration Department Government of Bihar are added as party. Mr. नाम बताएं ना.
Mr. SP Rai,
Mr. आप अपना नाम बताइए.
Ranjit Kumar,
Mr. Ranjit Kumar, Junior Counsel to Mr. SP Roy, accepts notice on behalf of the newly added opposite party, State of Bihar. Counsel for the